Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day today. This video is actually going to be a little bit different. This is going to be kind of like a vlog style video. I've never really done a kind of a vlog style. I have in the past, but nothing like this. But so this is just going to be a day in the life video. Very simple, straightforward. So right now, I'm actually going to be heading to the gym with my fiance. Today's leg day, not my favorite day, but yeah, we're in the car now. We're all fueled up, ready to go. Had a good breakfast this morning. Yesterday was July 4th, so I hope everyone had a excellent July 4th. Hope you all stayed safe out there. But yeah, it's Friday. I have a day off of work today, so that's also really fun. I like having days off after the holidays, so today is going to be just my hustle and bustle day. We're going to hit gym, we're going to go, we're going to run a few errands, and then we are going to wash this filthy car. I know on camera it doesn't look like I take care of my vehicles, but I promise I do. I just need time to do it. But anyways, yeah, let's hit the gym and let's get after it. All right, so we're now leaving the gym, as you can see behind me here. Now we're gonna get some quick eats. Leg day wasn't as bad. It being Friday in the morning was also not bad. But yeah, now we're gonna go find somewhere to eat or pick up food and whatever, and we'll be right as rain. All right, vlog update. We decided on lunch. Big time hero. I love it. My personal favorite for lunch spot, especially when I'm at work. It's delightful. So yeah, we're gonna go to the apartment and chow down. Chow down this classic club sandwich with no ham or pepperoncinis or tomato. Ruining the club sandwich. Anyways, we'll catch you back at the apartment. All right, well, excuse the bumps, but we got finished our lunch. We watched a show for a couple hours. Now we're heading back to my house, and we're gonna be washing Rexy, and then we're gonna be washing the fiance's car as well. She has a Ford Fusion, so yeah, both blue cars, funny enough. In fact, there's the wife's car right there. We're driving side by side. Hopefully you saw that. I have the front facing camera on, but yeah, should be cool. We're definitely going to try and do it when the sun goes down, because it's like 90 degrees outside. So yeah, so we're just cruising. We're bobbing back, taking the back way home. We always like doing that. And we'll catch you guys up when we're about ready to wash the cars, and just kind of have fun with it. And I'll just kind of show you what we're using and all that fun stuff. So we'll see you there. All right, so we are now at the washing the car stages of the day. We let them sit in the shade so it gets nice and cold, not warm, I should say, and just so the paint doesn't, or just so the stuff doesn't dry up on it and stuff like that. So we had the car sitting out here for a little bit. We're already starting the wash process, so I think I might just set up a quick time lapse of us just kind of washing cars, and then we'll go over the interior stuff and all that fun stuff there. We're using very basic car wash stuff. It's 2 buckets and a couple sponges and some rags. That's it. So I'll just set the time lapse and we'll get cracking. Alright, what's up everyone? So this is actually a couple of days later from the last clip that I showed, and that was I'm guessing a time lapse like the main event besides going to the gym was getting cars clean. This road's very bumpy. They're doing lots of construction on this road. The one thing I wanted to mention is that Kayla has actually been hinting at racing her car against mine. A little bit of a backstory. It's not your average Ford Fusion. It's actually a pretty rare car. It's a 6-speed manual, which I think is really awesome. It's her daily driver and whatnot, but it's essentially has the same engine and transmission as a Focus ST, and it's essentially that car, just longer and not a hatchback. But yeah, so I think it would be very interesting. I do think there is definitely a weight difference between the WRX and the Fusion, because the Fusion is typically more of a luxury sedan, but when you have it with the options that it has on it, you can definitely consider it to be more of a sports car. So definitely leave a comment if y'all want to see a head-to-head race, drag race, or whatever you want to call it, between the WRX and the Fusion. And if you want to see more content on that car, I can gladly do a review on that car as well. She's also kind of been hinting on that too. She's always asking, when are you going to make videos on my car? Well, I'll let the people decide. I definitely want to do it up at some point. I just don't know if I should do it now or later. But yeah, I guess that's kind of it for this video. I haven't really been doing much the past couple days besides working. But yeah, I decided to pick up the camera on my way home real quick and just kind of give you that little tidbit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of vloggy style video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, then please give a like down below. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a bunch. I need to shift. And I will see you guys in the next one. Later.